Here's an example of the way to solve these without the quadratic equation. So if this is equal to 0, then it would be nice to have it in this format here where you have two things multiplied together equal to 0. Then you'd be able to get your solutions or your answers easier. Well, we know that if we did that FOIL method, we kind of used that FOIL method to go from starting point of this two parentheses kind of thing multiplied to get this. Well, let's go backwards. So what times what would give me x squared? The first thing times the first thing would be x times x to equal x squared. And for the next two numbers, we did this already. You have a positive 6 here. 6 is 1 times 6, negative 1 times negative 6, 2 times 3, or negative 2 times negative 3. Those are the only possibilities to get 6. Which of those pairs adds up to the middle number, to the positive 5? And that would be 2 plus 3 to give me the positive 5. So the answer is positive 2 plus positive 3. Okay, so this is actually the two numbers if you break it down. And if you FOIL this back out, if you multiply it back out, you would end up getting the x squared plus 5x plus 6 thing. So now we know that when two things are multiplied together to equal 0, sorry, I said multiplied together, a big dot there, to equal 0, we know that that means either the first thing equals 0 or the second thing equals 0. One of those two things equals 0. So we could say the x plus 2 equals 0, and we could say, or the x plus 3 has to equal 0. That means that if you subtract 2 from both sides, that means that x is going to be negative 2 or negative 3. Those are the only possibilities. Those are the answers. Those are the solutions. X equals negative 2 and x equals negative 3. Okay? Are the answers. Now I'll send you a worksheet to try